Welcome back to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're checking out a 34,000 actual mile 1982 Pontiac Grand Prix with bucket seats, center console.
This is a sweet car, D.
It is.
It better be. I'm the one who bought it.
You're the one that bought it. Yeah,
we're going to talk about this later inside in the drive, but low mileage cars are just the best.
They are.
I mean, who has something like this for 40 years and just doesn't drive it?
I know, it looks probably like it's probably original paint as well.
Yeah, and look at this. Yeah, that's original. Yeah. Isn't that nice?
It is. Just super clean under the hood. Just like the day it rolled
Highly
off.
option, steering, brakes, air, cruise, the works. But like you said, buckets and console. I'm just going to let it run.
Yeah.
While we do this
Here we have some heat.
Engine bay's nice. Even in here, look at the paint and the inner fenders and stuff. It's all beautiful, all original. Very, very nice there.
It's a great car.
You don't see these very often. I mean, it's one of the first ones I seen, and if you get online, I mean, there's just not many out there available. So if you had one of these back in the day and you won another one, I mean, this is an excellent example of you can put a ton of miles on this thing yet and still be a low mileage car.
Yeah, absolutely.
For a long, long time. I like the choice of wheels, obviously disc brakes on the front. I'm an American torque thrust kind of person anyway, but just the size of the wheels, it just really made this a lot more sporty.
Yeah.
Back of the hood lines up great, the pinstripe's nice. Even the stainless along the bottom, Dalton, and the black, all looks great, don't it?
It does.
There's a little glue right here. Looks like at some point, maybe they redid that. Yeah, it's got the factory side molding still on it.
Yeah.
You know, if that would have been repainted, that would have been gone. The vinyl tops, all original. You can see just two little tiny little, there's no bubbles or nothing anywhere, but just a couple little very, very small issues there. A couple little cuts, but the vinyl top's in great shape overall. The trunk, go to our website and look at the undercarriage as well. Super solid original car.
Yep. Too cold to mess with today in the video. We're trying to get around the outside so we can get in the heat.
Back bumper's in great shape. As far as all the plastic and stuff's nice, tail lights are nice. Couple little tiny dings on the side just to above the molding.
The interior on it's remarkable.
Here's the corner of the inside of the jams. Bottom of the door paint. Yeah, the interior is fantastic. That really tells you 34,000 miles more than anything. And then the way the windows go up and down, it's just like butter, super smooth. Here's your interior. Door jamb paint is excellent as well. Dash pad's great, wood grain's awesome, door panels. Even the bucket seats in this thing, the PMD bucket seats, all match, everything's great, original. Headliner's excellent, dome light works well. Tilt column, and the factory console, right? With the vents on the side, everything. Very impressive.
It is. I just hope the heat works.
Oh, the air works.
Good.
We don't need that today though. As far as we're looking up and down the side, driver's side's awesome. I mentioned passenger side had a little tiny ding in this door, very small, just like from the...
I like the chrome rocker
straight
molding too.
Yeah,
on the
bottom. I
bottom.
mentioned it's in great shape, and it matches the wheels well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Top of the hood lines up beautiful to the fenders, doors. Like you said, we just did the 34,000 mile Buick or 40,000. You know, the four-door. This car's never been apart either. And you can tell the way it lines up. The original stickers on the doors. Still the original door rubbers in good shape.
Wow.
Isn't it, all around? I mean, usually they get in bad shape. As far as the, it's got the remote mirror, perfect seats, perfect door panels. Even the scuff plate, look how nice that is. All right, let's hop in. All right, now we're gonna talk. Let's see.
Yeah.
Now we're talking.
Yeah, I just like this. Even like all the little Astro ventilation's not all busted up, broken. It comes with a lot of vents. Holy shit, you got two over here, four there.
We got tilt cruise. I'm gonna take my gloves off. See what you want that. Isn't this comfortable though?
It is. I like it.
The heat works great. Console's in beautiful shape. There's your ashtray.
It even smells good in here too.
It does.
They did upgrade with the old radio, but they've got one that kind of fits in the factory spot.
I mean, some of my buddies had these cars in the day. They had the Cutlasses and the, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Same body style. Did a lot of driving around. A lot of smoking cigarettes back in the day in these things. You know what?
Yep, this one didn't get smoked in, it looks like.
No, this one hasn't. Sorry, I can't even hear what's going on.
I know. I think it's running, but
It was, but I had too much shit going on.
he turned it off.
I shut it off. There's
Yeah.
just too much going on. The heater and the radio. All right. So, wipers work. Okay. Dome light works. We've already seen that. And the headliner's great. So many times they get saggy. It's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
What else we got? Okay, there's the wipers. I don't think the cruise works. I can shut that down now. And the steering wheel's not sticky. I mean,
Even
it's
the
just
dash
like brand
pad
new.
too. A lot of times these will get bowed up or cracked. Still looks new. Even the leather on it.
Not a powerhouse, I'm sure, but
It's just a little Grand Prix.
little
And
six banger.
It's cold.
It is cool.
Factory
Yeah,
clock works. That's wild.
yeah, gas gauge works 2D. Here's your brakes. Got disc on the front. They stop perfect. No goofy noises. Just push it right up. Listen, you can't hear it run
Mm-mm.
at all.
Mm-mm. Could sneak up on somebody.
Sneaker. Look at the console. We didn't talk about it, but the big old center console. I mean, I'll fit a lot of cassette tapes in there.
Oh yeah.
In great shape too. Nothing's busted. Like I said, it's just
All
a
the little plastic.
remarkable car.
Yeah.
But a guy could put a big motor in this and have fun, man.
Yeah.
Put a freaking big 400 GTO engine or something,
Oh, yeah.
360 horsepower.
You could.
That'd be a lot of fun. Of course, the speedometer only goes up to 80, though. You'd bury that baby.
Oh yeah.
Look how it drives. I mean, it's just a cruiser. Look at this.
Yeah. Fasten seatbelt light works though in the dash too. That's kind of cool.
Kick down works. Here's your brakes. High-speed braking. Stop's good. It's nice.
It is.
There's no doubt in my mind. Turn signal indicator works up there. There's absolutely no doubt in my mind that it's 34,000 original miles.
Correct. Yeah.
I mean, there's just not. It is 100%.
Yeah. It's just
Where do
too
you
clean,
find
nice.
something like that? We found so many.
Coyote Classics.
Yeah.
Where do you
I like
find
that.
it?
Good answer, D.
Look at this too. You got your glove box little coin counters here.
That's important.
Big change there for us.
Here's your transmission. I'm just going through the gears. Shifting good in a second.
Nice shift up there in third. Kick down works. Nice car.
We're doing 65. It's
Yeah.
running better once it got a little bit.
Warmed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had to stretch her legs a little.
Brakes are awesome. Great car. Just turnkey, ready to rock and roll. If it's something you're interested in, check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.